Do you think there's only one type of banana? Well, you're wrong. Today I'm going to introduce you to 15 types of bananas so amazing that some seem to come from another planet. Bananas that taste like vanilla ice cream? Yes, they exist. Ones with purple, orange, or even red peels? Those too. Some are tiny, others enormous. Some are enjoyed raw, while others must be cooked. And surprisingly, there's even one that isn't eaten as a fruit at all. Get ready to discover varieties you never imagined and stay until the end, because number 15 will leave you absolutely stunned. Number 1. Red banana. Did you know there's a red banana? Yes, that's right. While most people are familiar with the classic yellow supermarket banana, in some parts of the world grows a variety that looks straight out of a tropical fairy tale. The red banana. Its peel isn't just dull red, it's intense, with burgundy and purplish tones that shine in the sunlight. Open it, and the inside is even more surprising. Yellowish flesh with pink hues that hint at what's to come. And the flavor? Sweeter than the common banana, with a delicate raspberry-like note. Yes, a banana with sophisticated fruity undertones. No wonder in India, where it's especially prized, it's considered an exotic delicacy. But this variety is not only tasty, it's powerful. The red banana contains more vitamin C and beta-carotene than its yellow cousin. The result? A natural boost to the immune system and healthier skin. Its origins trace back to tropical regions of Asia, especially India and Thailand, though it has also taken root in Central America, where it's becoming popular in local and gourmet markets. In some cultures, the red banana is a symbol of good luck and fertility. It's even offered in traditional rituals as a sacred offering. And the most curious part? Despite its striking appearance, many people don't even know it exists. So the next time you think of a banana, imagine it red, sweet, nutritious, and mysterious. Because the world of bananas is much bigger and more colorful than you ever imagined. Number 2. Apple banana. There's a type of banana that breaks all the rules. And no, it's not about color or size. It's about flavor. Imagine biting into a banana and tasting a delicate hint of apple. Sounds impossible, right? But it exists, and it's called the apple banana, also known as Platano manzano. This banana is small, chubbier than others, and has a texture that's both firm and creamy. But what truly sets it apart is its soft, sweet flavor, with a slight tang reminiscent of ripe apples. No exaggeration, many people try it for the first time and are confused, wondering if it's really a banana or some kind of hybrid fruit. It's especially popular in tropical places like Hawaii, where it's grown in home gardens and sold in local markets as a sweet treat for curious tourists. In the Philippines, it's a traditional variety highly valued for afternoon snacks. And in Colombia, it's called bocadillo, or guineito manzano, and is usually eaten raw, with just a smile on the side. How is it used? Since it's so sweet and compact, it's perfect for desserts. You can mix it with yogurt, use it in cakes, or simply serve it chilled as a quick, healthy snack. Some chefs even caramelize it to enhance its fruity flavor and turn it into the star of gourmet dishes. But the most curious thing? This little banana doesn't need much promotion. One taste is enough to make it unforgettable. It's not mass-produced or widely exported, yet wherever it appears, it wins hearts. So if you ever come across a shorter, chubbier banana with a hint of apple scent, don't underestimate it. It may be small, but it holds a flavor secret very few know. Number 3. Burro banana. Some bananas look odd from the first glance, and the burro banana is one of them. Shorter, thicker, and almost square-shaped, this banana looks like a compressed version of the ones you know. But don't be fooled by its rough appearance. Inside, it hides a soft texture and a versatility that makes it unique. When ripe, its flesh is creamy, very similar to the apple banana, but with a key difference. Its flavor has a tangy touch that makes it refreshing and less cloying. It's an uncommon combination in bananas, which makes it a favorite among those looking for something different within the tropical universe. Now, the most interesting thing about the burro banana is its dual personality. Do you like sweet, ripe bananas? Great. Eat it when the peel turns bright yellow. Prefer something savory and cooked? No problem. It can also be eaten green, like a plantain. It's ideal for frying, boiling, or roasting. Its firm texture when cooked makes it perfect for pairing with meats, stews, or serving as a savory snack. In some Latin American regions, this banana is a staple of everyday cooking. Its toughness, unique flavor, and versatility make it a kitchen all-star. And although its name might sound funny, the burro banana has earned its place in tropical cuisine. Many overlook it due to its unappealing shape, but those who know it understand that it's one of the most complete and surprising bananas out there. Because not everything that looks rough on the outside stops being delicious on the inside. Number 4, blue Java banana. There's a banana that looks like it came out of a winter dream. Its peel has a silvery blue shine, as if covered in frost. And when you open it, it reveals white, soft flesh, almost like a cloud. But the most surprising thing isn't its appearance, it's the taste. This is the blue Java banana, also known as the ice cream banana. Why that nickname? Because it tastes incredibly similar to vanilla ice cream. Yes, really. Many people try it expecting the classic banana flavor, and end up surprised by the soft, creamy sweetness and a light, natural vanilla aroma. The best part is that the texture matches the taste. So silky and cool that when fully ripe, it can be eaten frozen like a natural dessert. It originates from Southeast Asia, in regions like Indonesia and the Philippines, where it thrives in tropical climates with its signature bright color. But it has also become popular in Hawaii, where it's grown in gardens and home orchards as an exotic, delicious treasure. It's not easy to find outside those regions, making it a rare gem for those lucky enough to discover it. On social media, it has gained fame for its metallic color and surprising flavor, starring in videos and recipes that seem straight out of a fantasy. The blue Java banana breaks every preconceived idea. It's not just food, it's an experience. A banana that doesn't look like a banana and tastes like a gourmet dessert. So if you ever see it at an exotic market, don't hesitate. Try it. You'll be amazed from the first bite. Number 5, dwarf Cavendish banana. Can you imagine having your own banana tree at home? In a flower pot? Well, it's not a tropical dream. It's possible. There's a type of banana practically made for small spaces and exotic plant lovers, the dwarf Cavendish banana. Unlike tall banana trees that reach several meters, this plant barely grows past 1.5 meters. It's short, compact, and surprisingly tough. Its reduced size makes it ideal for small gardens and even indoor spaces with enough sunlight. That's right, a banana tree in your living room. And no, it's not just ornamental. The dwarf Cavendish produces real fruit that looks just like the bananas you find at the store. Sweet, soft, and perfectly edible, just smaller in quantity and with a charming homemade touch. This variety is so practical and decorative that it's become popular among those seeking edible plants for limited spaces. Even in apartments, balconies, or terraces, it can thrive with a little love, water, and sunlight. Interestingly, despite its delicate appearance, it's quite resilient to wind and changing weather. That's why it's also cultivated in urban nurseries around the world. And when it bears fruit, it's a spectacle, not just for the taste, but for the satisfaction of having grown it yourself. The dwarf Cavendish reminds us that you don't need a jungle to grow something extraordinary. Sometimes the most surprising tropical flavors can sprout right in your living room. Number 6, plantain, Plátano macho. Not all bananas are sweet or meant to be eaten raw. Some were designed, by nature itself, to shine in the hot kitchen. And the plantain, also known as Plátano macho, is king in that category. With a firm, starchy texture, this banana isn't trying to be the sweetest or most fragrant. Its mission is different: to nourish, satisfy, and transform any dish into a hearty experience. It's often eaten green rather than ripe, making it a culinary wildcard in many world cuisines. In Latin America, the plantain is an essential part of culinary identity. In countries like Mexico, Colombia, or Venezuela, it's fried, baked, boiled, or mashed. It's the base of famous dishes like tostones, sweet tajadas when ripe, or mofongo in Puerto Rico, where it's mixed with garlic and pork cracklings. In West Africa, it plays an equally starring role, cooked in spicy stews, served as a side, or even as the main dish. Unlike dessert bananas, the plantain doesn't seek to please with sweetness, but with versatility and substance. Its texture holds up during cooking, allowing it to absorb flavors, spices, broths, and sauces without falling apart. It's like a sponge for tropical flavor. It also has symbolic value. In many cultures, sharing a plantain meal represents tradition, roots, and home-cooked comfort. It's food that nourishes both the body and the soul. And here's the kicker. Although many believe it can't be eaten raw, the truth is, when it's fully ripe, it becomes sweet and caramel-like. But its best version is always cooked. Number 7. Horn plantain. There are big bananas, and then there's the horn plantain. This variety commands attention at first glance. It's not just a bit longer than the rest, it's enormous. It can exceed 30 centimeters, about 12 inches. And when you see it in a fruit basket, it looks like a cartoon banana, exaggerated and bold. But don't be fooled by its size. This tropical giant holds fascinating secrets. Its curve is so pronounced, it truly resembles an ox's horn, hence the name. Some specimens are so curved, they nearly coil around themselves, as if designed to stand out, and they do. But the horn plantain isn't just a visual spectacle. In regions of Africa and the Caribbean, it's a vital part of everyday meals. Its flesh is dense, firm, rich in starch, perfect for recipes that require long cooking and satisfying sustenance. In countries like Cameroon, Nigeria, Haiti, or the Dominican Republic, it's boiled, fried, or roasted to accompany meats, soups, or traditional dishes. One of the most interesting aspects of this banana is its efficiency. Due to its size and structure, a single fruit can serve several portions. This makes it especially valuable in communities where feeding many with few ingredients is part of daily life. And like any respectable banana, it also has a sweet side. When fully ripe, the horn plantain softens and can be caramelized when fried, offering a deep, comforting flavor. It's a banana that amazes on the outside, but wins hearts on the inside. A gentle giant that has fed entire families for centuries. And if you find it in your local market, it'll give you a unique experience full of culture and flavor. Number 8. Ladyfinger banana. Sometimes the smallest things are not only beautiful, they're incredibly delicious. The ladyfinger banana, also known as the finger banana, is one of those tiny treasures that sparks curiosity with just its appearance. It's a very small and thin banana that easily fits in the palm of your hand, but what it lacks in size, it more than makes up for in taste. Unlike its larger relatives, the ladyfinger banana has a very sweet, almost honey-like flesh, with a soft and floral aroma that intensifies as it ripens. It's so pleasant that many people prefer it over common bananas when eating raw. And its texture, firmer yet juicy, makes it perfect for those wanting a quick bite without needing any preparation. In many countries, it's a favorite among children. Its size is ideal for lunchboxes or as a healthy snack between meals. There's no need to peel a large fruit or worry about portions. 1, 2, or 3 of these little guys are enough to naturally energize your body. That's why in countries like Thailand, India, Australia, and parts of Central America, it's common to find entire bunches hanging in local markets, like decorative branches full of mini bananas. But there's more. The ladyfinger banana isn't just eaten fresh. In some regions, it's fried whole to make traditional sweets, or sun-dried to create naturally sweet chips. No additives needed. And here's a fun fact. Despite its elegant name and delicate appearance, this variety is surprisingly tough. It grows well in humid tropical climates, and its plant is shorter and sturdier than other banana types. The ladyfinger reminds us that truly amazing things don't always need to be big. Sometimes, the sweetest treats fit in a single bite. Number 9. false banana, Enset ventricosum. In the fascinating world of bananas, there's a variety that breaks all the rules and transports us to an ancient culture, very different from what we know. It's the false banana, scientifically named Enset ventricosum. Although it's called a false banana, it's not a regular banana, and its fruit isn't eaten because it doesn't produce an edible one. This tropical giant originates in Ethiopia, where it has been a staple in food and daily life for centuries. Instead of using the fruit, people harvest the stem and inner pulp of the plant to make a traditional food called kocho. This fermented flatbread is made by collecting the pulp from the pseudostem, crushing it, and fermenting it for several days. The result? A tangy, distinctive flavor that's highly valued in local cuisine. What's curious is that the false banana looks a lot like a regular banana plant, with massive green leaves that stretch like sails. But its fruit is small, fibrous, and inedible, so it's not cultivated for that. Instead, the stem plays a central role in the Ethiopian diet, especially in rural areas where kocho is a vital source of carbohydrates. Beyond its food value, this plant holds strong cultural significance. It's seen as a symbol of life and prosperity. In Ethiopian villages, it's common to see enseti plants as part of the daily landscape, almost sacred for their ability to feed the community, especially during tough times. This false banana is a reminder that not all food is enjoyed the way we expect. Sometimes, what looks like a fruit turns out to be a stem, and what we think is a banana becomes bread. Number 10. Purple banana. Among the many wonders nature offers, there's a banana that catches every eye with its unique, almost magical appearance, the purple banana. Its skin isn't the typical yellow or green we all know, but a deep, intense, striking purple, like something out of a fairy tale. This banana doesn't just impress on the outside. Its flesh can vary, from creamy white to soft pink tones that contrast beautifully with the vibrant peel. This color combination makes it one of the most photogenic and original bananas on Earth, and those who taste it say that beyond being beautiful, it's also sweet, with a fruity touch that resembles a blend between a common banana and fruits like raspberry or grape. The purple banana is quite rare and found mainly in specific regions of India and Africa, where it grows in tropical and subtropical climates. It's not commonly seen in international markets, making it a tiny treasure for those looking to explore exotic and new flavors. It's also recognized for its nutritional benefits. It contains natural antioxidants, the same ones that give blueberries and black grapes their deep color. That makes it not just tasty, but also a health-boosting fruit. In some cultures where it's grown, this banana also carries symbolic meaning. It's part of traditional celebrations and used in special dishes or as offerings, thanks to its beauty and uniqueness. So next time you think of bananas, remember that beyond the classic yellow, the world hides purple bananas that tell stories of diversity, flavor, and surprising nature. Number 11. Orinoco banana. Among the many banana varieties in the world, one stands out for its versatility and flavor, especially in Latin America, the Orinoco banana. This type of banana isn't as long or thin as others. Instead, it's medium-sized and wider, giving it a robust and distinctive presence. Its broader shape makes it ideal for many culinary uses. The texture of the Orinoco banana is firm and slightly starchy, making it perfect for both raw and cooked dishes. When ripe, it can be eaten fresh, but it's also known for how well it enhances traditional recipes when cooked. Its flavor is mild and slightly sweet, yet with a unique touch that appeals to those who love authentic, varied tastes. This banana is particularly popular in countries like Venezuela and Colombia, where it's used in countless everyday meals. In these regions, the Orinoco banana is the base for making everything from arepas to sweet treats, as well as savory dishes like bolitos or fried snacks. Its versatility has made it a cornerstone of local cuisine, appearing in breakfasts, lunches, and dinners with that texture and flavor only it can provide. An interesting fact is how well the Orinoco adapts to different ripeness stages. For example, when it's green, it's perfect for frying or making chips thanks to its firmness and sturdy texture. When ripe, Its natural sweetness shines, and it's great for desserts or just eating plain. This culinary flexibility makes it a favorite for home cooks and professionals alike. It's also a very nutritious banana, providing energy, fiber, and essential vitamins, making it not just delicious, but also healthy. So this banana impresses not only in shape and taste, but also in the nourishment it brings to the table. Number 12. Pelipita banana. Among the many banana varieties grown worldwide, there's one that plays a key role in agriculture and commerce, the Pelipita banana. This banana is a hybrid developed to be more resistant to disease, a crucial factor in large-scale, sustainable banana production. The Pelipita has become a favorite among producers due to its ability to withstand pests and tough growing conditions that harm other banana varieties. That means it's less prone to damage, ensuring a more reliable and abundant harvest year after year. This trait makes it a true ally for modern agriculture and global trade. Beyond its resilience, the Pelipita banana is known for its high yield. The plant produces bunches with many fruits, and each banana is medium-sized with a bright yellow peel when ripe. Its flavor is fairly neutral, not as sweet as some other varieties, which makes it incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Its firm texture and mild flavor are great for cooking, frying, or mashing, and it's an excellent side in traditional dishes. Because it's so common in commercial production, the Pelipita is easy to find in many international markets, even if people don't always recognize it by name. It's one of those bananas that quietly makes its way into our daily meals without us knowing its backstory. Its importance goes beyond taste. Its resilience and productivity help farming communities thrive and maintain their livelihoods. And as a carefully developed hybrid, the Pelipita represents scientific progress in agriculture, helping farmers face the challenges of modern farming across the globe. So the next time you see a firm, versatile banana, remember, it might just be a Pelipita, a silent hero in the world of bananas. Number 13. Fei banana. In the vast world of bananas, there's one variety that seems straight out of a vibrant tropical painting, the Fei banana. What stands out most about this banana is its intense orange color, on the outside and the inside, a hue rarely seen in other varieties, and one that instantly catches the eye. The Fei banana comes from exotic regions like Polynesia and New Guinea, where it has been cultivated for centuries, and plays an important role in the local diet and culture. Its bright orange tone comes from its high beta-carotene content, the same antioxidant that gives carrots their color and is essential for eye health and the immune system. This makes the feihi not only visually striking, but also highly nutritious. One of the most surprising things about this banana is that when it's cut or squeezed, its juice stains everything red, a phenomenon that may seem magical or even alarming to those unfamiliar with it. This red juice has traditionally been used by some cultures to dye skin, fabrics, or as a natural pigment, proving that this banana has uses far beyond food. In terms of cooking, the Fei banana is mainly eaten cooked, as its flavor is stronger and less sweet than common bananas. In the regions where it grows, it's a key ingredient in stews and traditional dishes, adding a bold color and unique flavor. Moreover, this banana represents a link between biodiversity and ancient cultural practices, a reminder of how food can tell stories about regions and their people. So next time you think about bananas, remember that beyond the classic yellow, there's the Fei, a true orange and red spectacle that surprises and invites us to learn more about nature's richness. Number 14. Goldfinger banana. Among the many banana varieties in the world, there's one that combines resistance, flavor, and modern innovation, the Goldfinger banana. This hybrid was developed to overcome many of the challenges that affect other varieties, like diseases and pests, without sacrificing taste, which is not always easy to achieve in agriculture. The Goldfinger banana is the result of research and agricultural development in Honduras, a country with a long tradition of banana cultivation. Its name already suggests that golden shine and promise of something special, and it doesn't disappoint. The flesh of this banana is sweet, with a unique touch, a slight citrus aroma that makes it both refreshing and distinctive. This flavor profile sets it apart from common bananas, which tend to be either neutral or intensely sweet without nuance. But what really makes the Goldfinger special is its durability. This variety resists major threats like Panama disease, which has devastated many traditional banana plantations, and it's more tolerant of extreme weather. That means farmers can rely on a more stable, sustainable crop, benefiting both growers and consumers. Its size is similar to the standard banana, but its texture is firmer, making it ideal for both cooking and eating fresh. Plus, that slight citrus flavor makes it perfect for desserts, smoothies, or even natural snacks. It's a variety that bridges tradition and innovation, and it's gaining ground in international markets. In short, the Goldfinger banana is a perfect example of how science and nature can work together to create something delicious, nutritious, and resilient, contributing to food security and flavor diversity on our plates. Number 15. Kandrian banana. In the vast universe of bananas, some varieties, though little known, play a fundamental role in the nutrition of many communities. One of these hidden treasures is the Kandrian banana, a name that might sound unfamiliar to most, but in tropical regions, it's a valued dietary staple. The Kandrian banana isn't the kind you'll typically find in a supermarket. Its fame is rooted more in its role in traditional cooking and local agriculture than in global popularity. It's mainly grown in tropical areas, where it's an essential part of the daily diet, especially in regions where humid, warm climates are ideal for its cultivation. One of the most interesting features of the Kandrian banana is its neutral flavor. That makes it an extremely versatile ingredient for cooking, as it doesn't overpower dishes with sweetness or strong flavor. Instead, it provides a soft base that absorbs and complements spices and seasonings beautifully. That's why it's commonly found in stews, fried dishes, and as a savory side. The Kandrian is used both green and ripe, but it's most commonly prepared when green. Ideal for frying or boiling, thanks to its firm texture, which holds up well and offers a pleasant bite. It's a crucial source of energy and nutrients for many rural communities and plays a vital role in the local economy, being cultivated sustainably and adapted to its natural environment. Although the Kandrian banana isn't flashy or famous like other exotic varieties, its role is vital. It's a clear example of how traditional, lesser-known foods can sustain entire cultures, bringing nourishment and life to those who depend on them.